Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So this is your English video of a standard 2 and let's see today what we are going to do. But before that students, I would like to request everyone, if you are having any problem while watching this video or while doing your homework, just note the problem down in your notebook and you may ask me in your class. So let's start today's topic. So students, as you all know that your chapters are completed, so we are going to do revision work of all the chapters. So let's start. So today we are going to do answer these questions. Some questions are here. So you have to answer all the questions. I will explain all the questions as well as answers also. Okay, and you have to note it down in your notebook and you have to learn it also because these questions are very important. Okay students. Question number 1. What did Amir like about Grandpa Farooq's garden? Do you know what did Amir like the most about Grandpa Farooq's garden? Amir liked the fruits, the leaves there, the flowers and the trees there because the garden was very beautiful. The garden was full of fruits, the leaves were there, flowers were there, so many trees were there. So Amir liked the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees there. What did Amir like about Grandpa Farooq's garden? Amir liked the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees there. Number 2. What could Grandpa and Amir do to save the garden? Do you know students, in that chapter, that is Grandpa Farooq's garden, the pest means the small insects that eat plants. They were eating all the plants and the garden was dying. And because of that, Grandpa was very upset. So for saving their garden, Grandpa and Amir need something. So what could Grandpa and Amir do to save the garden? Grandpa and Amir should bring ladybirds to save the garden. Ladybirds are small, they are small insects and Grandpa and Amir need ladybirds to save the garden. Now come to question number 3. Let's see what is question number 3. Name any 3 things that Shanu is the right size for. Yes, Shanu. This question is from chapter number 1, that is too big, too small. The chapter was about a girl named Shanu. So you have to answer any 3 things you have to write that Shanu is the right size for. So the 3 things that Shanu is the right size for is listening stories from Dadi. She was the perfect size for that. Going to school. She was perfect for going to school and taking Dadu for morning walk. The 3 things that Shanu is the right size for: listening stories from Dadi, going to school, taking Dadu for morning walk. So this was the answer. Name any 3 things that Shanu is the right size for. The 3 things that Shanu is the right size for: listening stories from Dadi, going to school and taking Dadu for morning walk. Question number 4. When does the cuckoo sing? So this question is from the poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? In that poem, the cuckoo bird sings at night. So what was the timing? Here the question is about the timing. When does the cuckoo sing? At what time the cuckoo sing? So the cuckoo sings at night. The cuckoo sings at night. When does the cuckoo sing? The cuckoo sings at night. This will be your answer students. Okay. Question number 5. My garden is dying. Why was Grandpa's garden dying? Do you know? Grandpa's garden was dying because some pests were eating the plants. Some pests, they were eating the plants and they were destroying the garden. And for that, Grandpa was very upset. So my garden is dying. Why was Grandpa's garden dying? Grandpa's garden was dying because some pests were eating the plant. This will be your answer. Okay students. Question number 6. Why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? So in the poem, that is Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? The speaker was not able to see the cuckoo bird. Do you know why? The speaker can't see the cuckoo bird because it is hidden in the thick leaves of the champak tree. because the bird is hidden in the thick leaves of the champak tree and it was not visible. It was not in front of the speaker. So why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? The speaker can't see the cuckoo because it is hidden in the thick leaves of the champak trees. The leaves are very closely to each other, and that is the reason why the cuckoo bird was not visible to the speaker. Okay. Next question is question number 7. How did Amir take care of the ladybirds he had collected? So Amir collected, I think 9 ladybirds were there. Yes, 9 ladybirds were there. Amir collected 9 ladybirds for the garden so that ladybirds will help the garden to grow. So how did Amir take care of the ladybirds he had collected? What he did, Amir bring all the ladybirds to his home, and then he kept small leaves and twigs. Twigs are the small branches, okay, at the bottom of a big plastic box. A plastic box was there, and in that box he kept all the leaves and twigs, and he gently placed the ladybird inside that box. And and at the same time he kept some food and water so that they can live easily there for them in that plastic box. So Amir kept small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a big plastic box. Then he gently placed the ladybird inside and kept some food and water for them in the box. So this was the answer, students. So in this way Amir took care of the ladybirds that he had collected. Number 8. Where is the cuckoo? So the cuckoo is on the champak tree. Where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on the champak tree. Champak tree is a type of tree with yellow flowers. Okay, yellow or white flowers with very sweet and strong smell. The smell of the flowers are very sweet and as well as strong also. So where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on the champak tree. The cuckoo is on the champak tree. Where is the cuckoo? The cuckoo is on the champak tree. So thank you everyone for paying attention, for watching this video. May this video help you a lot during your exam. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.